That's beautiful. It's quite so a job.
There is a nurse there, so they come back. So teacher, the more cheat is the here teaching.
The teacher was not in school. Take a picture of you.
That NPO thing.
Yeah. This is government school. They get their money. So they
Vishnu temple. Very beautiful. And children playing. Ready for school. In Maria tribal village. A big size spider. Very big size
ये जो कीड़ा है
spider.
ना, क्या बोलते हो तुम उसको? मकड़ी. वो मकड़ी को देख रहे हैं. उनका देश में मकड़ी नहीं है. यही वाला. ये
That's beautiful. It's quite so a job.
बड़ा बड़ा है. ऐसे नहीं. तो चित्रकूट अभी जाएंगे.
चित्रकूट सादा है. सीधा सादा.
चित्रकूट आराम से बाहर से देखेगा. Because he will south like this is market. Yes, different things will be going to sell. It is mostly to make the furnishing item like from the bed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is a cushion and a phone, all these things. And prepare himself by these things.
And stuff
Then
it
yeah,
and
then
you
again
have a new one.
reuse the things.
I make a picture of this thing.
Sure, you
Yes.
can.
Very good. So
Cotton,
yeah.
he can sell the new cotton.
Yeah,
If people can know we have some old cotton, you can process
you
it,
can check
then he
it
can
out.
do it here.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, the cotton wool. Yeah, thank you. Soft, nice, yeah. Yeah, that is good. And nice colors, yeah. If you need a new cushion, then it's very good.
Hello.
And this is the
Preparing
sitting room,
papaya curry.
living room, I think.
Yeah. And this is the kitchen.
का खाना है जो ब्रेड जो करते हैं ना, वो ब्रेड उनका मैदा का खाना जो है. हाँ.
This is a very big termite. Oh yeah. A lot of rice has been harvested here. And this is a washing day. And this is curious schoolgirls. Hello.
There is a nurse there, so they come back. So teacher, the more cheat is the here teaching.
The teacher was not in school. Take a picture of you.
That NPO thing.
Yeah. This is government school. They get their money. So they
Ram ram. Ram ram.
वो पूछती है, दे तुम लोग कैसे दूसरे को ये कौन राम राम बोलते हो ना क्या? नमस्ते भी होता है.
Namaste ram ram. They are harvesting here all the rice. The old-fashioned way. I think they use the same technique as they used in Denmark in the old
To
days.
do it,
Not with rice,
other things.
but with dancing.
Okay.
If you have to cut some plants to take it. Also take the time, but
They use that
take a
to
long time.
take around.
If you like closure, you can go to
The
them.
straw.
You can talk to them. How are you? Where are you?
Yes. Yeah, I saw one just several ago. I saw one.
What you are telling day before yesterday. So much work after this.
That's what I'm thinking.
Now the girls are taking the hay away.
It is very.
Now we take a little break.
Because tuk, put in the machine.
Ready to go.
Yes.
To be taken to the.
Now they will say tie like this.
Yes,
Both
yes.
sides. You see,
Yes.
two joint portions are there, so that it will not come this side.
Yeah.
If it will come this side, it's a problem for the soldier.
Yeah.
So it will be here. It cannot move this side.
Yeah.
It will be here. It cannot move this side.
So if
yeah.
when they have the balance,
Yeah,
they can
yeah.
just
Right,
walk.
right.
It's a beautiful view here.
Man gør ligesom mig. Op med foden sådan.
Now it is picture time. We're going to take a picture all together.
Our memorial pillar. We call memorial.
Memorial pillar
It's also pottery.
in the Maria tribe.
Yes, it's cremation. Yes, yes.
And this is a
They give the
cemetery.
for here 12, 13 days. They give the food.
They put the name here and the traveling animal here and give them food the first 40 days to the travel, like the Egypt's pharaohs. They make paintings on the graves and put the ashes down in the grave. Chickens. Vishnu temple. Very beautiful.
Some king were Shiva.
11th
Shiva you
century.
saw there, Ramdev is a Shiva
Oh,
temple.
Vishnu.
And here this is a Vishnu temple. Okay, Narayan means it is a Vishnu.
On the top you can see Brahma in a Vishnu temple. That's this is a Vishnu temple. There's Vishnu down there.
This is puja, offering. Because when you are throwing water you are offering to the God. Water is nature. Okay, so we all have come from sky, earth, water.
Ganesha is also there. And it looks like Himalaya mountain temple. Benidharaur village, a little oasis.
The tea is ready, sir.
Tea is ready, thank you very
sir.
much.
For
Oh, very good. Masala
our
tea.
bus.
Thank you. A chai and smoke break. Very good. These are very warm clothes, hats and scarves. Can be cold at night.
And it's made out of
Very
wood.
good, sweet. Very good.
Gram flour,
And
gram flour, mostly gram flour and oil.
Sugar stuff.
they have these very impressive things. Oh, how can you see? No, wow, see that. Oh, it's a good place. And more cookies. Thank you. Fantastic show. Ice cream is
आप हमारा
also
जगन्नाथ जी को
available.
रखा है
गए थे हम लोग पूरी गए थे
पूरी गए थे कब गए थे
More cookies.
जगन्नाथ जी का बड़ा आके ये सब कुछ देखो
Thank you.
मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो जो कर रहा है
These are Maria people. Maria people going with things on their head. out on the countryside. This is another Maria cemetery. This is placed in the middle of the field where people are going around working. A very beautiful scenery. And children playing. (2004), beautifully decorated. This is a very old thing. It's like the chief grave or something like that.
This is a good picture.
Oh, yeah. Oh, she's busy today.
Yeah.
Oh, a lot of work to do. Oh.
A lot of work.
I so feel
Women on the way to their workplace.